What do you think, Capone? Well, commotion. What's that right there? You don't want that? You want the stick? No, you want it. Well, making a little bit of progress. Dr. Voss was good enough to bring his tractor over with a grapple bucket. And right here is where the tractor was, the 9N. Got it back to life. That's another video. It's a short one, but it's another video. So I've got all the trash cleared from the side of the coach and started to make a hole in the big pile over here. Now, fortunately, he's got a big old hole in the ground that needs fill material. So this whole pile can basically go there and fill in his hole, and we'll burn it all down and turn it to ash and then rinse and repeat. But this was a couple of hours, about, see, not yesterday, but the day before. Just getting this cleared so we can get his tractor into it and then digging that out. Most of this hole went on his trailer back to where his hole in the ground is. So there is progress there. But yeah, a whole bunch of fun. Making some progress though, little baby steps. And hopefully having this trash pile gone will make a little bit more room for staging and sorting and cleaning out the garage so that I can make use of it and be productive and maybe make a little bit of money working on stuff for people. Because as of right now, I just don't have a good place to do that. Yeah, such just the state of things. Now, it seems like when I look at this footage on the phone or on the computer even, it does not do justice to the scope. So the dog comes up to my knees, just to give you an idea how tall this is. And this is every bit of, 20 foot wide going this way and 40 or 50 feet going back. And it starts to slope off on the back side. But, making some progress anyway. What are you whining about? Find something else to play with? The endless supply of new treasures out of the trash pile. Oh, I needed a break. And I wanted to go ahead and give that thing a break because it's been working its ass off, but holy crap. More wonderful progress in getting this pile behind the garage scooped up and moved on. Still got a whole nother day's worth of moving just from this pile as it continues. Yeah, but I needed to do some hand digging. I got to get this freaking water hose out from where it's at so that I can scoop this stuff up and dig more of the water hose out that was just buried in trash. Hey, look, a motorcycle. Sorta. Little mini bike scooter stupid thing. It's garbage. It's where it deserves to be. Oh. So much garbage. You probably take that tree out. I started grabbing some of the roots of it, and it was actually twisting when I was lifting up one of the last big old scoops of trash. My tines were caught under the roots there, and as I was backing up, that tree was literally rotating. getting to the point now where it's going to be in the way when I start scooping back there. So I need to chop it out. But I am freaking exhausted. Need some more coffee. Need to do something with this thing. Somebody would freak out if it ended up in the trash. Like antique rack mount for equipment that no longer exists. But it's a rack mount. More burn barrels here. I wonder if they are salvageable. Because that would be nice to have more than just the one back over there. Making progress though. Alright. Workhorse is working again this morning. Have made another big, took another big bite out of the trash pile. Making a pretty serious dent. I am actually to the other side. Got that big tree down. And actually just kind of grabbed the whole root ball with the tines, not knowing it, and pulled the whole thing, scooted it back over this way, and then ended up getting myself stuck. So I had to cut down a bunch of the big branches off of it, get them out of my way. Still need to chop those up into little smaller pieces, scoop them up, take them over to where the brush is getting stacked. But making some progress. Almost got the whole freaking concrete skirt back here on the back side of the garage back to where you can see daylight for the first time in 15 years. And another big bite out of Trash Mountain. Starting to get actually all the way towards the tail of it now. Finding actual ground underneath the trash heap. Oh. A bunch of this is just like so loose and small, it's getting hard for the tines to pick it all up without just dropping it back down in piles as I shake off the dirt. But yeah, a whole lot more good progress here. Got this side over here almost all cleaned out. More crap that was just too important to throw away. Rusty hunks of metal. I gotta dig all this stuff out by hand, cut these trees down. I'm already exhausted. But so far this has been 3 days of picking up scoop at a time with that about 1 yard grapple bucket, and taking it over and sticking it and staging it for where we can park the trailer and scoop it up and put it in that. What are you doing, Meow? Miss Bites. Oh yeah? Meow. Meow. Miss Bites. What do you think? Miss Bites. Are you done talking? Was that the end of the kitty report? Oh, I think I'm gonna go take a shower.